my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am here with this Saraswati Puja Get Ready With Me. I am going to wear this on the Saraswati Puja, so I thought why not let me share this look with you all. This is going to be a one brand tutorial. I have used all Sugar Cosmetics product for this tutorial. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video, and if you do, you know what you have to do. Give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. And even if you wish to follow me on all my social media handles, everything is there in the description box, and even it's flashing over here, so you can just go and easily find me over there. And yeah, without wasting much time, now let's get into this video. First, I'll be using Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer, and I'll be going with this on the T-zone area and especially where I have pores. Now for my foundation, I'm taking Drop the Base Serum Foundation. This is in the shade 37 FREDDO. This foundation is little darker for my skin tone, but just because it does not oxidize, I can manage it with my concealer later on. Next, for concealing and highlighting, I'm taking Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 12, and I'll be going with this on the highest points of my face. Again, I'm going to blend this out with the same makeup sponge, and even whatever is remaining on the beauty sponge, I'm going to apply it on my lids area. And now to set my face, I'm going to use All Set to Go translucent powder, and I'll be applying this on the areas I have applied the concealer. And make sure you're doing this really quickly before the concealer creases. And now I'll be contouring my face with Contour the Force Face Palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory. And I'll be going with the contour shade on the parameters of my face. Next, from the same palette, I'm going with the blush. And as you can see, this is a beautiful pink color. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks and even a bit on the nose. And from the same palette, I'm even picking up the highlighter shade to highlight the highest points of my face. And you can see this is a beautiful champagne shade, adding a beautiful glow to my face. And now I'm going to fill in my brows, and for that I'm taking Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 04 FELIX ONYX. It's super precise and easy to use. Even it has a spoolie on the other end. And trust me guys, this is super easy to use. If you're a beginner, I recommend this for you. Go for it because you'll learn how to do eyebrows. Now let's straight jump into the eye makeup, and for that I'm taking Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Flawless. And I'm taking the shade Cream, and I'm going to apply this on my crease area just to give a little bit of depth. And next I'm taking Bronze Gold. I'll apply this with my finger all over my lids. And I'm going to blend the edges out so there are no harsh lines. And even taking cream on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to pick up some Champagne Gold and apply this on the inner corners and even on the eyebrow bone. Now for the Kajal, I'm taking Kohl of Honor Instant Kajal in the shade 01 Blackout. And I'll be guidelining and waterlining with this. And I'm just going to smudge the Kajal so it looks nice and smoky. And for my liner today, I'm going for something different. This is the I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner in the shade 03 Green Book. Yes, this is a green color eyeliner, and this is a beautiful khaki green color. And I'm not going for a usual wing, I'm just going to apply classic line. Now to finish up my eyes, I'm going to apply mascara. This is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty. And now to put this look together, I'm going to apply some lipstick, and this is the Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade 08 Duft Pink, and it's perfectly complementing my eyeliner today. Now to finish off the makeup, I'm going to set my face with Grand Finale SPF 30 Setting Mist. So guys, this is how the look turned out. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I absolutely love using all the sugar products. If you want to get your hands on any of the sugar products, you can just go and check out my description box. You'll find all the purchase link there. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just saying because I love using sugar products and I can't resist myself from making more looks with sugar cosmetics. If you want some more tutorials, let me know. Even if you want product reviews, I'm here to do it for you all. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button and follow me on all my social media handles. That's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, happy Saraswati Puja to every one of you. We'll see you in my next one. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.